Good morning everyone. As you all know that New Year Eve is around the corner and nobody wants to be late when it comes to sending greetings to their loved ones. So that's the reason why I am in front of you today. No, New Year is the eve, it's the time when everyone thinks of a fresh beginning. Everybody's mind is filled with a kind of positive emotion. Everybody's effort is in making the things work in a better manner. So here on this day, I would like to convey my best compliments to all my teachers, students and their parents that this new year 2021 be filled with a lot of happiness, joy, success and positivity. May this year brings a lot of happiness in the lives of all of you. So here I expect that you will forgo the past year and look forward to the promising new year. Thank you very much.